Roman numerals. You have learnt about the numerals I, V, X, L and C, the method to write numbers up to 100 in class 4. Here, we will learn how to write larger numbers using Roman numerals. There are 7 basic Roman numerals. Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, M in Hindu Arabic numerals are I means 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. Rules for forming Roman numerals. Rule 1. When a letter is used more than once, we add its value each time to get the number. Example, I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20. C is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is 300. Rule 2. When a symbol of a smaller value is returned to the right of a symbol of a larger value, add the two values. Example, V. I, which is 5 plus 1 is 6. Similarly, in next example, Xi is 10 plus 1, which is 11. Next example, CVI. 100 plus 5 plus 1 is 106. Rule 3. When a symbol of a smaller value is returned to the left of a symbol of a larger value, the smaller value is subtracted from the larger value. Let's see an example. IV. 5 minus 1 is 4. Next is XL. 50 minus 10 is 40. Next is CD. 500 minus 100 is 400. Notes: the same symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times together. V, L and D are never repeated and subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only once. X can be subtracted from L and C once only. C can be subtracted from D and M only once. With the help of the symbols I, V, X, L and D, we can write numbers up to 500. Study the following. Ones. I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, IV is 4, V is 5, VI is 6, VII is 7, VIII is 8, IX is 9. Next see tens. X is 10, XX is 20, XXX is 30, XL is 40, L is 50, LX is 60, LXX is 70, LXXX is 80, XC is 90. Hundreds. C is 100, CC is 200, CCC is 300, CD is 400, D is 500, DC is 600, DCC is 700, DCCC is 800, CM is 900. Let's see some examples. Example 1. Write the following in Roman numerals. 53. 53 can be divided as 50 plus 3. 50 is L and 3 is III. So the Roman numeral is LIII. Next, 44 can be written as 40 plus 4. 40 can be written as XL and 4 is IV. Therefore, the Roman numeral is XLIV. Next, 95 can be written as 90 plus 5. 90 is XC and 5 is V. The answer is XCV. Next, 179 is 100 plus 70 plus 9. 100 is C, 70 is LXX plus 9 is IX. Total CLXXIX. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. XLV. XLV can be divided as XL plus V. XL is 40, V is 5. 40 plus 5 is 45. Next, XCIX. It can be divided as XC plus IX. XC is 90, IX is 9. 90 plus 9 is 99. CDXC can be divided as CD plus XC. CD is 400, XC is 90. 400 plus 90 is 490. CLXIX can be divided as C plus L plus X plus IX. C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, IX is 9. Total is 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 9 is 169. Let's see some hearts. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic numeral. LXX. L is 50 plus X 10 plus X 10. Total 70. Next is LXXXIX. LXXX can be written as 80 and IX is 9. 80 plus 9 is 89. Next is XL. XL is 50 minus 10, which is 40. Next is DCCCV. This can be written as DC plus C plus C plus V. DC is 600 plus 100 plus 100 plus 5, which is 805. Next, write the following in Roman numerals. 198 can be written as 100 plus 90 plus 8. 100 is C and 90 is XC. 8 is VIII. So the answer is CXCVIII. Next, 349. 349 can be written as 300 plus 40 plus 9. 300 is C. 40 is XL and 9 is IX. So it is CXLIX. Next is 401 can be written as 400 plus 1, which is CDI. Next, 486 can be written as 400 plus 80 plus 6, which is CDLXXXVI.